Take a cylinder, scale on z-axis, shade auto smooth. In edit mode, select the vertices, move on z-axis, extrude and scale the vertices. Again extrude, merge the vertices, add edge loop, bevel it, extrude the faces. Click on auto shade smooth. Take a cube. In edit mode, scale on z-axis and y-axis. Model the step. Select the step and click on Ctrl A. Click on all transforms. Take plane axis. Add array modifier to step and tick to relative offset. Tick to object offset. In object, select empty. Increase the count. Select empty. Move and rotate on z-axis. Delete the faces. Fill the faces. Add edge loop. Select these faces. And extrude. Select the face. Move on x-axis and adjust the shape. Rotate the empty on z-axis and adjust the steps. Fill the faces. Simple steps are modeled using array modifier.